Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Weaning or extubation, we are looking at the mechanical criteria. So we look at the inspiratory pressure. So what is the inspiratory pressure? So when you look at the inspiratory pressure, it is going to be minus 22 minus 30 centimeter H2O. Next is the tidal volume. So when you look at tidal volume, it will be 4 to 6. So inspiratory pressure is minus 20 to 30 H2O. The tidal volume will be the 12 to 6 ml per kg. Next we look at the VC. VC stands for the vital capacity. It will be greater than 10 ml per kg. That is a minute ventilation. So what is a minute ventilation? So minute ventilation is going to be 10 liter per minute. And rapid shallow breathing index. So the rapid shallow breathing index, rapid shallow breathing index will be less than 100. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.